Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a simple recipe because it's cold out here and everybody's getting the flu, the cold and everything. So I'll have all the ingredients listed down in my section. So yeah, you need ginger. This is the ginger shot. So it just helps with a whole lot of things, cold, cough, all of that, just to help your system. Okay, so you need ginger, lemon and water. So you're just going to squeeze your lemon and keep it aside, and then we are going to wash our ginger very well, as like wash it as much as you can, then put in your water and blend that together. Blend your ginger, and when it's done, we are going, you can see my lemon out there, so you can see me squeezing out the lemon juice just to sieve out all the seeds and everything. And now I am here squeezing sieving the ginger as well. You're going to mix that together, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then you're going to pour that in a container and just save it, put it in your fridge or wherever, and that's your ginger shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is another vlogmas day, so I decided to give you guys this because the cold weather is not playing with anybody. Okay, so make sure you take care of yourself. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. By the way, watch this to the end. It's just a 2-minute video. Okay, all right, make sure to subscribe if you have not done. So guys, as I was saying, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and leave a comment. Of course, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to like my video, share it. Okay, it might be useful and helpful to someone out there. So yeah, I'll definitely be seeing you guys on the next vlogmas day, whatever it is, because at this point I'm just kind of like, let's go with the flow. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for sticking around. All night long we're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.